Yes sir, rise and grind. Back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2017 Toyota Tundra SR5 4.6. We're doing the rear brake pads and rotors.
We have emotion, man. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
We got two 17 mils. I loosened the bottom one up. Get you a pry bar and pry that up. Alright. Those pads are gone. Next we got two bolts holding the caliper bracket. Get those. So that's what I use. I got a 19 mil deep socket, a 1/2 inch. Alright, we got that off. Put it over to the side. Now we should be able to knock this rotor off. Get a hammer. Just want to tap right in here. Pop that loose. We go ahead and spray that down with some brake cleaner. Brand new rotors, part number. Spray these down with brake cleaner and get that film off. You want to do front and back. Alright, this little rubber piece that came out the old one, put it in the new one. We on there, we want to replace the hardware, these clips. They give you two of these are the squealers, so when your brakes go low, it'll notify you with a squeal. Alright, just like that. You can see how thin these pads are. That's your guide points. You want to lube them. Go ahead and push that piston back. The rear is complete. And I fly through the passenger side, same procedure.
Not as bad as the other side?
Same. You want to put lubrication on these ends here as well. You can see where it used to be. And that'll help with the new hardware so it won't squeak. Alright, that's going to be it. Brake pads and rotors are replaced. Hope the video helped out. Until next time, the Pull-Up King.